Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from NewCraftDay. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to NewCraftDay. So let's move the stuff. First two items I have are some pens, diamond painting pens. I never thought I'd be one of those ones like that had like several pens, but as the pens have gotten cheaper, my pen collection has gotten bigger. So this first pen is this squishy pen. Squishy. And it has this cat here with a purple bow here. It is only just the one single placer here. But it's relatively light, and if you like these squishy pens and you need something fatter to hold but don't want that extra weight, this might be a thing. And then maybe I'm wondering if these squishy things are anti-fatigue. But it's cute. So this pen is $2.55 on the site, and they have a whole bunch of other animals on the same listing. Like I see an avocado. Yeah, there's an avocado, and there's a fox, and a bunny, but I got the one with the cat with the purple bow here. So yeah, my pen collection's getting bigger. And the other pen I got, okay, so when I saw this, I was like, huh, that looks a lot skinnier than my other pens, and I have small hands, so the skinnier pens are actually something I prefer, and I think I kind of like this. Because, like, my hands are small, so I actually don't like the ones with the big bulges. Yeah, at the ends, so that I need the one that's smaller, but I do need... But this is thicker than the pink pen, so I kind of like this. So this one is a yellow, but the yellow seems to only be the tube part, and then the part that does these extra bumps here look like they're clear. It actually is really nice looking here. This is available with like 5 different colors, and I got the yellow or gold one, I don't know. And this one is $3.22. And there's also one that comes with like a whole bunch of tips and trays, but I was like, I have all of that stuff. So, and it looks like it comes with a single placer, and this is maybe a 6 placer. A single placer and a 6 placer. So yeah, no, I think I like this. It's the right width for my hands, and I have small hands. Like when I'm at work and I'm using the disposable gloves, I use size small. So the chunky pens, whenever I bought them, I very shortly stopped using them because 1, they're usually heavier, and 2, my hand just gets tired holding them because they're just too big. So the pens, if you ask around what folks' their favorite pens are, people are going to have different answers just because hand sizes really do matter. So, but for my small hands, this actually, I kind of like this. It's a nice pen. And it's a decently lightweight, so I like that. There. All right. So the 2 pens and diamond painting. So this diamond painting, if it wants to come out, this one, it should be a 30 by 40. It's $5.38 on the site. So ordinary toolkit, except it comes with a couple baggies. So these look like they're in the drills that are these individual packets, and if you've never gotten drills like this, each of these packets should have around 200 drills. And here is the image here. It's some birds on a fence with flowers, and I feel like that seems to be a thing I get a lot of. Birds and flowers. So I'm just pushing back the plastic to help straighten it out. There you go. And this thing has 22 colors. All the symbols are letters here with DMCs and drill field. I think it looks clear enough. And it is about a 23 by 32. And I think this one actually, I was thinking it might be too small to turn out, but it might turn out. And here are the colors. I'm not going to take them out, but I am going to label this because I don't see any sort of label on it. And I'm just going to put the item number on here because I do store my drills and my canvases separately. So it does make it fun. And I'll end up putting my own inventory number in here because I do number all of my diamond paintings. I started at 1 and now I'm at like 600 something. So I do number all of my diamond paintings too. So I'll do that after the video. But yeah, here's this one. Another diamond painting. So this one is a slightly bigger one. It's supposed to be a 30 by 60. It's $13.79 on the website. And these are going to be round drills. So ordinary toolkit. Like I said, round drills. And here it is. It's a little long. I don't know if you'll see the whole thing here. So we'll do that there. So it's these flowers, because what's my channel without more flowers, right? So it's about a 53.5 by 25. And there is 22 colors here. All the symbols are letters. W seems to be the letter for black, but this time it's 939 instead of 310. And I notice I tends to be the letter for the white color, but this one is 822. So lots of color blocking in the background. Sunflowers. Sunflowers. And then I think these are, hey look, there's butterflies, because what's one of my videos without butterflies too? All right. And here are the colors. Some reds, greens, yellows. Are these the same color? Yeah, these two yellow is the same color. Some greens, orange, browns, more browns. Here's the background. That's the 939. Several bags of that. Orange, and some pinks and some greens here. So a nice mixture of black and colors. The black, if you ever have diamond painted like a predominantly black background, it's usually the easiest one to diamond paint because the imperfections in diamond painting it are a lot less visible than the lighter colors. So if you have a problem getting your drill straight, might want to stick to the darker colors. It's not as noticeable. All right. Oh, and did I say that was $13.79? I probably did. So last item I'm unboxing in this video is these coasters. These are coasters. This is $13.91, and there should be 8 coasters in here. So this is actually different than the last coasters I did. The container is this metal container here. I had a plastic container that I had to construct before, so it does come with a toolkit with a couple baggies. And this is also different because it comes with some adhesive cork things. So I'm guessing that you place that under here. So you diamond paint first, and then you put the little cork thing so you don't scratch your table, which is nice. So there should be 8 of these. Yes. So this one is actually a Christmas coaster set. It looks like it's a combination of rhinestones and regular drills, which I like. So let's see. Here's one. It's a snowman. Here's Santa. I'm hoping Santa is a different color than the background because he could be camouflaged back there. Here is a gnome. Candy cane. Gingerbread house. I'm trying to like put it into the side so at the end you'll be able to see it when I'm trying to show it everything. Here's some bells. Here is a gingerbread man and a Christmas tree. And the drills. So it does look like all the symbols are letters. I mean letters. Numbers. I don't know what my... And it does look like I said, it's a mixture of... Here's some rhinestones. Those are 2 different rhinestones. Here. And yeah, there's actually a good amount of different colors rhinestones. And then it looks like there is regular drills. So 16. So it does look like 16 is the background, the predominant background. So it looks like perhaps the background is all regular drills while the actual picture part with, you know, is rhinestones. I think this will turn out really nice. So I'm excited. I'm hoping it'll turn out nice. Oh, it's not gonna fit in here. So that's the last one I'm unboxing for this video. Oh wait, I didn't measure. Why can I not speak today? The coaster is about 10 centimeters diameter. All right, so that's everything I'm unboxing for this video. Let me move you up to remind you everything I got. And I could move this down here now that I've moved you up. So here, those are the coasters. Here is the sunflowers. Here's the birds and the flowers. And the pens. And that's all I have right now, so I will probably you'll probably see the finish of the coasters at the end, so I'll see you later. So I'm back, and the coasters are done here. The coasters were about 10 centimeters in diameter with 20 colors, 5 were regular round drills, 15 were crystal rhinestones. And this took me 3 hours and 9 minutes to complete over 2 days. And it looks like I did use some white ABs. There was some excess glue. I noticed that on the sides it was a little sticky. And guide circles, which is pretty common for these special shapes. So when I said I used white ABs, for this here, which was originally, I think, just white, I did put the pearled ABs on there. I don't know if you could tell. So those used to be just white. So here is the gnome with a candy cane, Christmas tree, some bells. So in this one, the actual picture, was in crystal rhinestones, and in the background was just regular drills. Gingerbread man, but yeah, I don't know if you could tell in the background. You can see the symbol, mainly because I did multi-place on some of this. I can't help it. Here's the gingerbread house. I did already seal these. I use my Krylon Glitter Blast spray here. Snowman. I'm gonna miss when it's gonna be too cold to use that. And Santa. Here, the Santa kind of doesn't, it's a good thing Santa was in rhinestones because he doesn't stand out too much with the red background. So I think that's one of those ones where perhaps should have been maybe that background instead. So yeah, I think they turned out cute. You could tell what they are, and they are coasters, and it was actually pretty full drill. So these did come with this here, this holder here, and it came with some cork circles. I haven't tried putting them on since I just sealed them. And whenever I seal things, I don't really touch them for another day or two. I could kind of still smell the sealer on these. I leave them in my garage to air out as much as possible, so that's... How hard is this gonna be? It's just an adhesive, right? Is it center? So there. Cork. The first set of coasters I got didn't come with these cork circles. Huh. The cork circles actually make it so that it's not slippery. I need more. I did get a couple more coaster sets, so be on the lookout for future videos. Yeah. Let's just say, I did a couple coasters. I'm actually highly enjoying these. They're like, lots of them are almost full drill, but then they're small enough, and if they're rendered well, it just shows you don't necessarily need a big diamond painting as long as the rendering is okay. And that the image is not too complex. There's only so much you can do with a complex image small. I think I'm failing at the putting in the center. It's just putting them in the center is a lot harder than I think. But I don't know how re-stickable these are, so I don't want to try to peel it off. Right, so now with the cork, does it fill the container a little bit more? So there. Yep, it does fill the container a little, the coaster holder a little bit more. So yeah, here is all the finish for this video. So let me, people are upside down. All right, so thank you very much to NewCraftDay for sending this item and the other items for review. And thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.